on. Let's go, Ricky. Wow. Whoa.
Who is this guy?
这位同学他之前打过吗？还没有印象。没 shoot 3-pointer. Push up. Oh. 对，人家比主力猛啊。Oh, close there. Yep. 都是矮头，都是单打。哦。Come on.
Hello everyone. So it is now Saturday. My footage has been like a little bit in between throughout the entire week. I filmed me going to the office, of course, in first person, and then we had those basketball games. But I forgot to film our last game of the group bracket regular season. We lost our last game, so we finished 4-2. It means we still make the playoffs. We're the third seed, but it also means that we can't lose for the rest of the tournament. The top two seeds, I think they get like if they lose, they just go down to another bracket and they can still like make it to the finals. But if we lose, we're kind of cooked. It's kind of it. It was a bad game. We played a lot of iso ball 1-on-1 and we got cooked by one of our friends, Frank. And he scored a lot of threes and it was really hard to catch up. And then I kind of panicked. We kind of panicked. We're trying to catch up and we played like so much isolation basketball. So that was the majority of my week. And of course I had, work. Man, I don't even know what I did last week. We'll leave it till Monday. And of course, it has now officially been 2 weeks since I've had the Switch 2. And well, first of all, I don't know if I mentioned this, but when I got the Switch 2, I accidentally scratched the membership code too hard. So for 2 weeks, I didn't have the online membership. But then I escalated this with the Nintendo Switch online support team, and they were able to laugh at my situation, but then give me a new code. So I do have the Nintendo Online membership now. The only problem is that it's only been a week, and I'm already like 20 hours into this game. That's really bad, because for one, I have this assignment to do this week where I need to set up like some hardware stuff because I'm doing like mobile computing. I'm doing mobile computing for my OMSCS class, so I have to set up these like hardware things. This is some Elgato Elegoo Super Starter Kit, and I'm wasting all of my time trying to get good at the Mario Kart game. Previously, I had goals this year of doing some coding projects as well as finishing all of my courses for my master's, but I can't think of a way to make this productive. Like, I'm not going to be better than the kids who play this game. I'm probably getting beaten by some 9 or 10-year-old every single day and getting like roasted on the chat for losing to them. And I'm not getting my work done. The only thing I can think of to make this semi-productive is maybe do some streaming on this. But then I'm not a streamer. Like, I don't know how to set up my stream. Like, I got the membership online and then I've been grinding and I'm already at 7500 VR. But it's really hard to start gaining from here because the rooms get tougher. It's harder to finish first place. And I'm looking at all of these like online world records and I'm just like, oh my god, these guys are way too good. They're doing like crazy stuff. Anyways, it is currently the morning. I have some lunch plans and I also have tennis later today. So the plan is actually first to do some work before I start Mario Karting. I really need to do this assignment that is due today. All right, let's get started. Man, I hate this. I'm so bad with this hardware stuff. This took me a lot longer than I would like to admit, but I have it kind of working now, so I press it, it starts flashing. Sorry, when I press it, the light turns on. When I release, it turns off. Can't believe I'm doing hardware.
这个算个蛋的，也得学了。
那你们有人吃番茄羊肉？
And then for the photoresist, I have it currently coated with different colors. And that was pretty much my week. Super disjointed. I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things, especially since I've gotten past the initial phase of playing Mario Kart every single day. On Friday, we have our first playoff game. Very exciting. If we lose, we're out. So, yeah, hopefully it all goes well. See you guys in the next vlog.